And so day one, we were in the room with our stakeholders, folks, the CEO, head of marketing, head of product, head of engineering, head of sales, and others. And it, interestingly enough, day one really turned into a series of disagreements about where the business was headed, what its outcomes were, what customers want and should have, or even who the primary customers were. So very, very revealing session. We invited over 100 people, key leadership across the entire organization in marketing, sales. Basically, it was director level and higher across the entire organization, even operations. And we put the same questions to the organization. We had to divide and conquer in different groups, different breakout sessions. But what came to us from that process is that the answers were staggeringly different from what the C-suite, what the stakeholders that we had initially met with said. There was just fundamental disconnect of where the organization was going and what mattered. So we were able to went through a series of scaled consensus building exercises. We were able to dance among the breakout rooms.
We're essentially therapists.
Therapists,
for the
that's
organization.
right. Product therapists, product design therapists. Thank you. That's a great way to.
It's a massive therapy session.
Yeah.
And the person is a company, and we go through every little aspect of it, and we're little doctors or whatever, and we diagnose and help them diagnose by talking to each other, actually communicating, arguing, aligning, and finally agreeing with what they need to do moving forward. So that way, us, as trying to solve the actual product problems, don't have to go to each individual person for months and get different answers. This is what gets us to better results.
And to be honest with you, it was an incredible morale booster to do this process. It took people out of their daily lives for a day, and no one had ever asked them really, where should we go? What matters? What are we doing? They had opinions for sure, but they never felt taken seriously by leadership. So I really think that that your point about therapy is really a great one, because it improved culture in the organization just from a one-day retreat. We took this all back to and resumed the main immersion workshop, and then we continued the immersion, and we had consensus from the organization to continue. And so we went through that process. What came out of it were really three main big opportunities. One, our online ordering enablement is broken. It's fundamentally broken. It's about building what we really want to seize the day on is building a leading digital ordering experience that's device and location agnostic. It drives order growth, and it solves for all ordering situations, including loyalty and marketing programs. And that's a big vision. The other tactical problem was that tech debt is breaking us. We've got to modernize our code base. And we didn't really at the time know how broken it was. We hadn't been under the hood. We hadn't looked at their code base. We just took their word for it. And then third, increased integration capabilities means increased market share. We need to be able to integrate with our customers and other technologies more flexibly. With all that in hand, those were the marching orders. And so what we ended up doing is going back to work, firming up feature ideas, working with the client that would deliver on these three opportunities, and then assembled them in the ultimate artifact of the process, a strategic roadmap that served as a North Star for digital transformation. And we'll show that.
I'm curious, in video games, cheat codes let you skip months of grinding to unlock special abilities instantly. Have you ever wished for something similar for your software challenges? What if there's a way to instantly access 20 plus years of specialized expertise instead of developing it all internally? What if you could solve in weeks what might otherwise take months or years? Would you agree that most organizations face a steep learning curve when implementing new software solutions? At my company Impact, we serve as that cheat code for companies looking to transform complex software into intuitive experiences that users love and that drive real business results. Would it be valuable to explore? And how might this work for your specific situation? Visit impact.io for a free strategy session focused on your unique challenges.